Hello, my name is Jackson Tuttlebach, and today I will be talking about anaerobic digestion and what it is, its benefits, and some challenges that go along with implementing anaerobic digestion. Additionally, I will be analyzing a specific case study of a dairy farm in Baldwin, Wisconsin, named Baldwin Dairy Farm, and the economic considerations that go along with their anaerobic digestion system. So, what is anaerobic digestion? Anaerobic digestion is the process by which materials, in this case manure, is biologically, chemically, and physically broken down without the presence of oxygen in the reaction process. Through the process, the absence of oxygen results in the buildup of biogas as well as efficiently digesting the manure. So some benefits of using anaerobic digestion is that the process is better for the environment than other conventional methods because there's a reduced amount of nutrient pollution and the nutrients are better concentrated to be applied where they are needed. Additionally, there are favorable uses for the effluent of anaerobic digestion in gas, liquid, and solid states. The gas can be treated and used or sold for fuel. The liquid can be land applied as a low odor, high efficient fertilizer, and the solid is generally used as bedding for cows, but the nutritional value of the solids can also be used as soil supplements in certain areas. Looking specifically at the Baldwin Dairy Farm, some characteristics that describe the farm include the farm being a dairy farm with a milking herd of 1,050 Holsteins. Additionally, the farm owns its own anaerobic digester that is a modified mixed plug flow digester. The farm collects manure 3 times daily through scraping and feeds the digester 6 times daily with what was collected. The farm practices using a fan screw press for the solids post digestion, and the farm sells between 10 to 20% of the generated solids using that per day. They currently use the biogas created in a boiler to keep the anaerobic process at an appropriate temperature, but have no other use for the biogas except for burning the excess. They hope to, in the future, treat and sell the biogas or use it in a greenhouse on the farm. Looking at the anaerobic digester process for the Baldwin Dairy Farm, the fixed costs are high for initial startup for a farm like this, setting up the digester and mix tank and the boiler to keep the processor warm. Additionally, support equipment and engineering and building costs are another initial investment. The variable costs range between the labor, shipping, and energy costs based on the current prices. Benefits for the dairy farm include what they sell for leftover solids and for what they could potentially gain in the future by selling their biogas. Looking at everything together, the initial cost would be around $181,000, and the variable cost would be around $200 a day, while the income would be slightly less at $190 a day. All in all, there are some drawbacks to implementing anaerobic digestion, which include the financial burden for establishing such a practice, as demonstrated by what was stated several seconds earlier. Additionally, working with the utility can be an issue since a main product of the process is electricity through burning biogas, and how that relationship works with the company that provides the electricity, as well as the permits to establish what is needed to create the system.